All of our dreams of the days, they keep cutting down in GP. We keep the pillows intact, no action, reaction, cause we're so sleepy. Stop throwing things and come sit next to me and put it down the throat and let's start it all over again. But still my hands are red, your eyes and skin are blue and black, and when we squeeze in the gray, we lose the sight of our track. And you're still throwing things